Damien. First and foremost, great job on your presentation. Thank you for sharing it with our class. Particularly, you are a very great public speaker. You would be a wonderful person to present this to your staff at Rockland. You just speak very well. You don't have a lot of filler words. You did a very, very nice job. So let's move on to things that I learned from you and wish that I would have added into my own presentation. I think you presented this in a way that effectively reaches teachers of any grade level. You not only showed teachers how assessment can be done in their classroom and explained to them, like you said, that everybody throws these terms around like they're the same thing when they're not. So you not only informed, you not only told them what a good assessment looks like, but you also stressed how to make those assessments effective. Now, one thing I think that you could do in the future to edit your presentation is almost make your statements do-it statements. So saying, go do this, go do that. These things work. So maybe instead of having sentences on your slide, putting those in bullet points that teachers could take notes during your presentation and take it back to their classroom with them. I think that will make it easier for teachers to use those great strategies that you've not only said, but that they can also take and write down as well to take back with them. I myself very much enjoy these video feedbacks because it helps me get my ideas across to you better than I could just typing it out. So in conclusion, very nice job. Once again, if you presented this to your teaching staff or anything at all, you are a wonderful public speaker. So once again, thank you for sharing that with us, Damien. Best of luck with the rest of this course.